everyone, I'm Teacher Al. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to solve a percent problem. A certain barangay has 2,000 voters. If 60% are male voters, how many are female voters? So first we're going to analyze the problem that 2,000 voters is equivalent to 100%. And if we're going to minus 60%, so the remaining is 40%, which is the female voters. And solving problem, we have to write the given information or data coming from the problem. So the given, we have 2,000 voters and we have 60% rate of male voters. And the next thing we do is we have to know what is asked in the problem. The problem asks how many are female voters. So a while ago I told you that the 2,000 voters is equivalent to 100% minus the 60%. So we have a 40% equivalent to female voters. Now we are going to multiply it by 2,000 times 0.40 because the 40% is and decimal number is equals to 0.40. Then the result is 800. So our complete answer is 800 are female voters.